What's up guys, it's finally here. After so much wait, it's official. The new era of future, the new era of smartphone, the first ever actual foldable phone, the Samsung Galaxy Fold, along with the 4 members of the revolutionary 10th anniversary Galaxy S10, which I've talked about later in my upcoming video in detail. So first up, this is the Samsung Galaxy Fold, actual foldable phone with a 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display on the inside and a 4.6-inch display on outside, which is also named as cover display. And it's not just a foldable phone, Samsung really pushes their limits and make this extremely unique and special. And you might thought that this phone has 3 or 4 cameras in total, but no, this thing have total of 6 cameras. Yes, 3 on the back, wide, ultra wide and telephoto, 2 on the inside, one 10-megapixel main sensor with a depth sensor for portrait mode selfies, and 1 on the cover display. So no matter in which state you are, this thing will always have a camera for you and your precious moments. And as you notice here, it has this notch type thing at the side of the tablet for dual cameras, because whole-on Infinity Flex display is not available right now, and I really like this fully bezel-less display, so that's why this phone has a notch, side notch for dual cameras. Now as for the performance, this thing will have a 7nm Snapdragon 855 processor with 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage, which is UFS 3.0 with the fastest read and write speeds. So this is all on hardware, but what about software? So Samsung also pushes their limits in the software department as well to achieve way more productivity than ever before. Like here's a feature called App Continuity, which means whenever you are watching something or seeing something in a small cover display and you have to switch it to a tablet mode, you just needed to unfold the device and this feature automatically adjusts that to a large tablet size mode. Also in this phone, you're able to use 3 apps at once thanks to faster CPU and 12 gigs of RAM. So this thing is definitely very great. Now to control 3 apps, 2 displays and 6 cameras, this thing has 2 batteries as well in each side. So combine them, the Samsung Galaxy Fold has a 4380 mAh battery. So this thing is definitely very incredible. It provides you a great value for that thing. So definitely best foldable phone ever. Now as for the pricing, as you expected, it will cost around $2500, but no, this thing will cost $1980, a little bit cheaper but still way more higher because it is first of its kind, so its price definitely makes sense. And obviously it is not for everyone, not everyone can afford this, so Samsung plan to sold limited units in limited markets. So yeah, this is future the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Let me know what you think about it, and please make sure to subscribe for more upcoming videos. And yeah, see you soon.